Hello hunters. Now I will explain the functions and the products working in the Wavestuck. For this, first you have to come on the Waves Exchange website, and you can also download the app. You have to register for this. You need email, and you can also sign in and log in by software and Waveskeeper method. But email is recommended and is secure method. And by software you can also register your account, but software method is only for the device where are you using your account. And register using seed private information is only for the device and only for the browser you are using. So I recommend you to register by your email. After that I'm entering my email password, and I will log in. And now I log in on Waves Exchange. Here you can see the price of Waves, and since last month everything you can see is the crypto platform. You can see also you can see the your wallet address. You can copy here, and you can also log out and so on. It's the wallet. You can see your portfolio, what you have and what you don't have. I don't have anything. I don't have egg, and so on. It's transaction page. You can see the transaction prices and whatever. Create assets. You can, and these are the functions. You can see investment, trading, and by crypto you can invest, you can trade, you can swap your currencies, and you can also buy Bitcoin, USD, whatever you want. And now I will go on the and now let's come to the website wavestuck.com. Here you can visit wavestuck.com. You can see all the functions of Wavestuck. Here you will see your ducks farm. I have no duck yet, so it's not showing. You will see if you have. Then next it's the my wallet address. You can copy here, and you can also sign out, log out. So next is the incubator tag, where you can hatch your duck. You can hatch, you can break egg and get ducks. You can see it's you are showing you are able to use your duck token to create a Genesis NFT duck, and randomly get one of the 4 ducks, which are the Ellen, Satoshi, Doge, and whatever. And using egg you will hatch your duck. You need at least 3.03 eggs to hatch a duck. I have no eggs, so it's not showing. I'm sorry. The next tag is breeding tag, where you will breed your duck, and you will get a new one. For this you need at least 2 ducks to breed and get a new unique one. As you know, you must need at least 2 ducks to breed them and earn more egg token and hatch ducks. And one thing you have to know is very special. You will lose the parent duck to get a new one. This is saying that when you will breed, you will lose your parent duck and you will get a new one. Here is the marketplace. You can see, and it's all the platform. It's all the page related to the ducks. They have which have to bid, and you can sell and you can buy here. You can see the different type of ducks, and it's all is a difference with priority and with different prices. You can see the green background is removed and it's shown. It's depend on the priority and rarity. High rarity has a high price, so it's there's all the functions of the Wavestuck. And you can follow Wavestuck on the Twitter. To get eggs you have to achieve the round on the Twitter, and there will couple of rounds you will see in a weekend. Here is also a round, it's YouTube round. You have to make a video and so on. You can also visit the WaveTech and be connected between these three things: Waves Exchange, WaveStuck, and Twitter. You will see the round of the Twitter and get eggs. After getting egg, you have to hatch and breeding, and you will create your own farm. It's a wonderful chance for you. You can invest and win a real Lamborghini. You can see here, it's showing you can invest a little much, and you can win if you are lucky. You can win a real Lamborghini. For this, you have to send USDT to a smart contract and rules of participants. You can see here. You don't need to throw any extra registration process or KYC. You just visit Waves Exchange on Twitter for this, and here is the step-by-step guidance of the participant. You have to, if you want to participate, you can follow the rules. Create your Waves Exchange account and visit the website. In this way, you can invest and win a real Lamborghini. So guys, these were the functions of Waves Duck. Hope you like my video, so please thank you and subscribe my channel.